Welcome back to the channel, UK Cop Hub. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to watch daily incredible cop cam breakdowns and learn how the law really works on the streets. Tonight, we're diving into one of the most intense standoffs caught on camera. Officers screaming commands, weapons drawn, and tension so thick you could cut it with a knife. But here's the twist. What happens when the cops realize they've got the wrong car? How fast can justice turn into a dangerous mistake? Let's break it down, second by second.
I got you. You look at me and nobody else. You do what I say, you'll be okay. Real slow, come out of that car. You got cover?
Got cover. I got. You got it?
Face away from me. Face away from me. Walk back to me. Real slow. Real slow. Real slow. Now move. Hands on your back. Right now. I just made it.
Tom, come up here.
You guys gotta be down on that. We're just playing over in the middle. We're gonna take.
Charlie Nora, 49263. Hey, Tom, this... What? I don't think this is the right car. That's not the right car. This is the wrong car.
And there it is, the moment of realization. The officers just discovered they've stopped the wrong vehicle. What you're witnessing here isn't just confusion. It's a potential Fourth Amendment issue. Unlawful seizure, mistaken identity, and the emotional toll of being targeted under suspicion. Now ask yourself, if you were the one pulled over at gunpoint, how would you react? Would you stay calm, or would panic take over? Drop your answer in the comments below. This moment will set the stage for what comes next. Accountability, emotion, and the human side of policing under pressure.
This is the wrong car. 794663. Yeah, this is the wrong car.
We're all good.
This is the wrong car.
What's that?
Yes, it is.
CN.
But the plate don't match.
The last 4 or 5 are wrong.
It's the wrong plate.
Well, we gotta talk to Dan about the fucking thing, you know?
Yep.
Put the window down! 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 Put both of your hands out the window right now! Put both of your hands out the window!
I got commands.
Go ahead.
You, with an outside hand, reach out, open the door. Watch your crossfire. Okay, real slow, left hand, do it from the inside. You come out with a gun, we are going to end you. Do you understand? There you go. There you go. Come on out. I gotta click the time. Park. Put it in park. Put it in park. Real slow. Everything real slow.
I'm gonna shoot you in your head if you come up with anything other than that.
Alright, real slow. Y'all got the low. Slow down. Slow down. Somebody shut off that siren. Left hand, real slow across your body. Undo your seatbelt. I got you. You look at me, nobody else. You do what I say, you'll be okay. Real slow, come out of that car. You guys got cover?
Got cover.
Face away from me. Face away from me. Face that car. Walk back to me, real slow. Real slow. Real slow. Now move. Hands behind your back right now.
Oh, correct, man. I don't have any weapons. I just came from Costco, dude.
Do not move. Do not move. 61 to 10.
You guys gotta be
Down, my man. We're gonna explain everything in a minute, but we're gonna do it safe.
You want to put him in my car?
Yes, please.
Have a seat.
Let's bring him back to TV, bring him to one of our interview rooms.
I got you.
Can you follow him? Gentlemen?
Not a word with him. Don't explain what's going on. Don't ask him no questions. Good?
Got you.
Copy.
All right, yeah.
No, interview room. Put him by my office.
All right. Sam 20. We're out to the PD 1 mil 95, starting mileage 106972.
Take him out. Wrong car. Take him out. Wrong car.
Hop on, man. Place the car.
That's the deal. We'll take you out of handcuffs. We'll get you going. Okay, I'm going to give you some information on who I am. We'll talk about what's going on. Okay, but I want to take care of these handcuffs first. Oswego PD had a shooting. Car plates. The car is the same as yours. Plates match with. Wait, hold on.
No,
Hold on.
No.
Look at me.
No.
Plates match. 2 of them are off. All right. That's why you're placed in handcuffs. We thought you were the guy.
No.
All right. You're not. I understand that. All right. Hey, listen. Look at me. I this up.
Okay.
Understand that? I'm gonna give you my card. This is on me.
Absolutely.
Absolutely on me. Let's clear these roads out.
Y'all threatening to shoot me in the head and shit. Don't move. Put your hands up. Like,
You're right.
This is ridiculous.
Okay. Well, listen.
This is ridiculous. I've been out here for 15 years and never have I once in my life. My man, nothing,
But
dude.
you have to look at it.
My man, nothing, dude.
Look,
That shit.
He's got every right to.
Unacceptable.
You are absolutely
Especially you, Harvey. Especially you, bro.
Okay. All right.
What's your name?
My name is Derrick House, man. I've been out here. I lived in Woodridge for 10. I've been in Downers Grove for 3, man. I'm a upstanding citizen. My kids go to school here. I'm well respected. That's wrong.
You're right.
You don't do that. You don't do that.
Anything else you want to say to me or need from me?
No, but this was my first.
Fine. You're right.
What we've just witnessed is a textbook example of high-stakes policing under mistaken identity. Under UK and US law, such incidents highlight critical lessons: the need for precise verification before escalation, the officer's duty of care after realizing an error, and the emotional trauma inflicted by wrongful detainment. The officers here immediately acknowledged their mistake, issued an apology, and followed proper de-escalation procedures, something not all encounters end with. But what do you think? Should there be deeper accountability for misidentification like this? Or is human error inevitable in law enforcement? If you found this scene as shocking as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping cop cam breakdowns and real legal insight, only on UK Cop Hub.